So let's say I want to send a mail, but I don't want it to be immediately sent, but I want it to be sent in another time. In that case, what you can do is you can schedule out your emails. So to do that, I'm going to go around and click on new email right here. And then as long as it is an Outlook email, so in Gmail, it is not there, as you can see right here from Outlook. But from Outlook email, you can see that scheduling is an option. Schedule send is an option. So I'm just going to go around over here and then select out an email right here and say hello right here, just like this. And I'm going to say test email. So let's say I don't want to send the email now, but I want to send the email in some other time. So in order to do that, you can go around onto the schedule send option right here. And once you do that, you can choose the time like tomorrow morning or Sunday morning right here, just like this. But I can also go around and click on custom and then choose a particular time right here, just like this. And then choose a particular time over here, just like this as well, and say, let's say for example 11:01 a.m. right here, and then click on send. So once I do that, what happens is that it is scheduled. So it is not sent, but it is actually scheduled. And after you send your email, it stays in the draft section right here. So if you were to go to draft, then you can see under today, you can see the scheduled email right here. So if I were to go around and click, then you can see that it is marked as scheduled send right here, and it is sent to be scheduled in a certain date right here. So you can go around over here and then you can go around and edit it and send it now, or you can modify out the email as well as you like. So that is how you can go around and utilize the schedule send option, and that is how you can schedule emails inside of Microsoft Outlook. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.